Alright, it's my first trophy catfishing attempt on my new boat. I got my buddy Clinton with me. He's rigging up his rod and reel now. And I've got my 6 off the back ready to be rigged up. I just got to put sinkers on all of them and sinker slides on a couple of them because I forgot to put sinker slides on. Thankfully, I'm using the Rig Wrap Easy sinker slides. I won't have to cut the line to put them on there. And I'm just using fresh skipjack. Where's my tackle bag? I brought the monster net too. I don't have a cutting board either. Cut the bait with. What are you using? The Gamakatsu Big River hook?
Chinese version.
Sinker slide. And let's scare the fish away. I just think about the direction each one is at. So throw that way, straight out the back, that way, and that way. These battle cats don't have that much line. First cast. You probably want to tighten this down too, because I haven't done anything with these. No idea how well these are going to cast. So this is the first cast on my new rods and reels. I think I crossed over my line. Perfect. Perfect. Now we sit and wait and hope a big fish hits. Or even a little one. I'd be happy with a little one. Alright, we're gonna move. We've been sitting here for maybe 30 minutes now. One of the good things about having a boat is you can move to other spots. Well, we got our first fish on. I'm letting Clinton reel it in because we're having issues with rain right now. It's starting to rain on us a little bit. It's a little bitty blue. Cool. Well, at least we're not skunked. We're in a little backwater area here that Clinton knows about. Nice backwater blue. Okay. Grow up. Someday here be a 100-pounder. So that's the first bite and first fish. Actually, second bite. This rod in the middle here had a fish on it earlier. I'm just going to break out the camera whenever we catch fish because we got rain clouds and this camera is not waterproof. But that's great. That's awesome. It's not a big fish, but hey, it counts in my book. Small fish actually win tournaments too. Another fish on. Still trying to miss the rain here. There's another little blue. But hey, it's action. I'm letting Clinton reel everything in. Cool. I do have my night lighting with me. I don't know if it's waterproof, but the rain may be missing us soon, hopefully. But another one? Yep. Here. Well, that was a quick release. We got one on this one. Get a reel in a fish. I think he's wrapped around something. There we go. that have something like sitting there? Oh no. Not anymore. A little bit bigger. He's a lively one. This guy's got a lot of mud on him. It's the biggest catfish so far. It's not quite dark yet. It is getting dark. I wouldn't let him go. We're into the, oh, another one. The water's so shallow they jump right out of it. I want to let this guy go. A little bit bigger, you think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Better be anyway.
He swam for it. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. Now that is a respectable fish. Say this guy's probably what, 17 pounds, 15 pounds? This is the biggest catfish caught in this boat. 15 pounds. 15-pound blue cat caught by Clinton. Awesome catch. What do you think?
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, let's let him go. All right. Fist bump. Awesome. That was a nice fish. Now we gotta get these rods back out, see if we can catch another one. Got another fish on. Oh. Yeah, there's something out there. I think we're safe from the rain now, finally. So I've got the light out. That little one I caught earlier was wrapped around something out there too, so. I think he's splashing over there and the line's over there. He's just gonna have to swim around it or something. I don't know. It's probably a big log or tree or something. He's not there anymore, so I think he got off and we're left with a snag. Fun times. Nope. Snag off in the boat. Oh, there we go.
Snag and put it water.
I think I just pulled in the snag. Oh, I got the fish. I pulled him right out of the snag. The flathead. Now that's crazy. He's wrapped around the other line now. Well, that's one way to get a fish in. Oh. Ow! Really, really muddy flathead. Oh wait, no. It's not a flathead, it's a blue. Just got so much mud on it. Wow. Way to misidentify a fish. We got some gnarliness going on to him. This guy's really, really beat up. He's got a hole in his face. I'm going to get him back in the water. He was hooked pretty deep. That was crazy. That fish went into a snag. I didn't feel it there anymore, so I just hoed it out of the snag and there was a fish. Craziness. This is Andy Monster line and I can see why people like it. And this is only 30 pounds. This was a really good idea to come back here. Right as I was getting ready to put this one out, another one bit. Is that the one? No, that's not the one I just put out. No, the little one. Cool. I've lost count of how many fish we've caught.
This is Justin Johnson size.
Justin. That's kayak catfish, for you that don't know. That's a pretty one. It's been a pretty good night. Still there? Another one on. We've been waiting a little while. This water's so shallow, they're jumping right out of it. It's a small one. Well, you hand me the fish grips. I just fish grip them in. Yeah, I'll get you in. Oh, come on. Oh, open your mouth. Little bitty one. It's kind of slowed down a little bit. All right. Got another little one. This guy's talkative. Yes. I know. I think you're lying to me. Nope, you're lying. You're telling lies. Don't let him go. It has slowed down some. I'm actually thinking about moving. When you're fishing shallow water, when it's cold out, the fish are coming in here when it's light out, when it's warmer. It warms up the shallow water, they feed, and then at nighttime, the water temperature goes down and they leave the area. I may have spoke too soon. Here's another one. That's a nice size one. Got a big mouth on him. Nice one. As I was saying earlier, these little ones can help you win tournaments. You basically catch 2 big ones and then catch 3 small ones. Most tournaments only allow you 2 trophy size, and then the rest are not trophy size. And that can mean the difference between winning a tournament and losing a tournament. I know the tournament I was in a long time ago, which I didn't film, we caught 2 big fish, and if we had caught 3 of any of the fish that we've caught here tonight that are not trophy size, we would have been an easy 3rd place. So if you catch small fish, be happy. Hopefully we'll catch some more. Or we'll move. I don't know yet. We've reeled in everything. It's actually been an awesome night. It's been a while since I've caught this many fish on one video, or at one time. It's a great way to break in the new rod holders that Ty installed on my boat. Oh, that wasn't the last one. I thought it was. We're gonna go to the ramp and put the boat up and head home. I've got about an hour drive because I live about an hour away from Watts Bar. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Clinton, for coming out with me.
Thank you for bringing me.
And thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully I'll be able to break 15 pounds in a future trip. Thank you.